Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to watch the webtoon How to Hold His Leash. Now let us begin. Well, as you guys can see, I have already gone to the website and logged into my account. In case you have not done that, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Now let's simply look at how to search for the webtoon. At the top right, you can see the search button right next to your account. Click on it right now. And once you guys do that, simply enter the name of the webtoon that you wish to search. In our case, it is How to Hold His Leash. And guys, this is it. This is the webtoon that I wish to watch. So I'm simply gonna click on it. And guys, this is it. This is the webtoon that we wish to view. As you guys can see, there are lots and lots of episodes. Simply watch whatever you wish. And do note that rather from watching from the website, you can simply download the mobile application and read the webtoon from there. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.